Welcome to Questrade. In this video, we will show you how to open your second account on your web browser. Note that you can also open your second account on Quest Mobile by following the same basic guideline. As an existing customer, opening your second account is fast and easy. Plus, it gives you the ability to manage all of your assets in one place with one login. To open your second account, first log in with your existing username and password. Then, on the account summary page, select Add a new account, or click Open an account in the top right corner. On the next page, please choose the type of account you'd like to add. If you're looking to trade and invest on your own, please choose the Self-Directed Account Type option. From here, you'll be presented with several tabs of account type, starting with the most popular. If you'd like Questrade to manage your account on your behalf through our Quest Wealth portfolios, press back and choose the alternative. From here, select the account type you would like to invest with. After you've chosen your desired option, you'll then be prompted to fill out any necessary questionnaires, sign and upload all required documents, validate your identity, and fund your account. For this, you can follow the same steps you would have for opening your first account. After this, your new account will be ready to go. We hope you found this video helpful. For more informative videos on how to navigate your Questrade accounts, please check out the other videos on our YouTube channel.